Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we will learn how to applying if condition in Microsoft Excel, and we will applying some advanced if else conditions in Microsoft Excel. Let's start. This is a student mark sheet result, and we calculate now the grade of the students. What's the grading scheme? So this is the grading scheme we are applying. Less than 80 gets A grade, less than 70 gets B grade, less than 60 gets C grade, less than 50 D, less than 40 E, and less than 30 get F grade. So applying this grading scheme equal to if start to 33, if okay. Before getting the grade, before calculating the grade, we have to calculate the percentage of the students. So the grading scheme applying on the percentage. Okay, so convert this into percentage. The percentage formula equal to obtain marks L7 divided by total marks 300 multiply by 100. So this is the percentage of the student. Now we will calculate the grade of the student equal to if N7 is less than 30, F grade. The next F statement, hence N7 is less than 40, get E. Another F, N7 is less than 50, D. N7 is less than 60, fall into E, C. If N7 is less than 70, it get B grade. If N7 is less than 80, it get A grade. So close all the brackets. So this is B grade applying all student. So this is a nested F formula. It shows that if these students fall in any of these mentions category, it will show that value. Suppose these students fall into B grade, so this statement is true for these students, else or false. So this is very easy. If you're applying the whole formula, the whole grading scheme on each of the percentage of the students, so it will get very easy too. That's it.